On Sunday, September 21st, 2025, the beaches of New Zealand and the South Pacific fell under a strange silvery light. People gathered, eyes shielded, to witness the sun transformed, a brilliant, burning crescent hanging in the sky. Children pointed in awe as the world softened into an ethereal twilight, the familiar suddenly mysterious. Across cities and hills, thousands paused to watch a cosmic dance that has fascinated humanity for ages. The moon, our silent companion, slid across the sun, taking a bite out of its fiery disk. This fleeting alignment created a stunning crescent, a celestial smile that felt both personal and grand. The temperature dipped, shadows sharpened, and the world seemed to hold its breath. It was a gentle reminder of our place in the universe, a front-row seat to the clockwork of the cosmos. For a few hours, the ordinary became extraordinary. The fiery crescent united us in wonder, connecting Earth to the vastness beyond. And as the eclipse faded, the memory lingered, a cosmic show witnessed together. What we saw was a partial solar eclipse. Imagine a dark ball passing in front of a bright lamp. If it covers only part, that's a partial eclipse. The moon moved between Earth and Sun, but the alignment wasn't perfect, so only a portion of the Sun was covered. Unlike a total eclipse, the Sun never vanished. Instead, it morphed into a crescent, the world bathed in a silvery hue. The light dimmed but never disappeared, creating a surreal, beautiful effect. No one on Earth saw the Sun completely covered. The moon's main shadow missed us, leaving only its faint penumbra. The fiery crescent was a reminder of the Sun's enduring power. Watching the moon glide across the Sun is a mesmerizing display of celestial mechanics. It's a direct, visible connection to the dance of our solar system. Always use proper eye protection. Never look at the Sun directly. The beauty of a partial eclipse lies in its subtlety and the gentle transformation of daylight. For a few hours, we witnessed the silent movement of worlds, a cosmic event visible to anyone who simply looked up. Across New Zealand, the eclipse created unforgettable scenes. In Christchurch, over 90% of the sun was obscured, casting a slender arc above the Avon River. The city skyline was silhouetted against the dusky, eclipsed sky. In Hawke's Bay, the crescent sun set behind vineyards and hills, glowing like molten gold. The sun's lower angle deepened its colour, making the crescent even more striking. These moments blended cosmic spectacle with New Zealand's landscapes, grounding the event in a familiar place. At maximum eclipse, the sun became a razor-thin filament, casting crisp, unusual shadows. Communities gathered in quiet awe, sharing the wonder together. The eclipse was not just a sky event, it was a local, personal experience. A fiery smile from the cosmos, remembered by all who saw it. How does a solar eclipse happen? It's all about orbits. The Earth orbits the Sun, the Moon orbits Earth, and a solar eclipse can only occur during new moon. But the Moon's orbit is tilted, so its shadow usually misses Earth. Only when everything lines up perfectly do we see an eclipse. For this partial eclipse, the alignment was close, but not perfect. The darkest shadow missed us, and only the penumbra swept by. The closer you were to the path of the umbra, the deeper the eclipse appeared. This event showcased the predictable, clockwork nature of our solar system. Astronomers can forecast eclipses centuries ahead, thanks to our understanding of gravity and orbits. What feels magical is actually a precise cosmic dance. The universe operates on laws we can understand and appreciate. Each eclipse connects us to the grand order of the cosmos. For astronomers, a partial eclipse is a unique opportunity. With solar filters, they observe the sun's surface, the photosphere, more clearly than usual. The moon's edge provided contrast, making sunspots and other features stand out. During this eclipse, the sun was active, offering plenty of sunspots to study. High-resolution images captured the moon gliding over these magnetic storms. Specialized telescopes revealed the sun's chromosphere, showing bright plages and dark filaments. The moon's silhouette highlighted these features in stunning detail. The eclipse was also a practice run for astrophotographers, testing their skills and equipment. Capturing a sharp image required precision and patience. For many, the thrill was in both witnessing and recording their own piece of cosmic history. While we watched from the ground, satellites observed the eclipse from space. They saw the moon's shadow sweep across Earth, a vast, dusky patch moving over the Pacific and New Zealand. Satellite images offered a global perspective, impossible from the ground. Weather satellites tracked the shadow's path in real time, helping scientists study atmospheric changes. Solar observatories in space saw the eclipse from unique angles, sometimes witnessing multiple mini-eclipses. These views provided continuous data on the sun's activity. Seeing the moon's shadow from space gave a profound sense of scale. The images were both scientifically valuable and visually stunning. They reminded us that eclipses are planetary events shared by all, a humbling view of our place in the cosmos. The fiery crescent of 2025 was a beautiful preview. For many, it sparked excitement for what's next. The total solar eclipse of July 22nd, 2028. On that day, the sun will be completely blotted out, day turning to deep twilight. The sun's corona, a ghostly white halo, will become visible, often called nature's greatest spectacle. The path of totality will cross Australia, then sweep over New Zealand's South Island. Imagine standing in Fiordland as the sky darkens and the corona bursts into view. It will be a once-in-a-lifetime experience, drawing visitors from around the world. A partial eclipse is amazing, but a total eclipse is life-changing. The 2025 event gave us a taste. 2028 will be the full experience. The countdown has begun. Where will you be for the great darkness? Share your eclipse stories and plans for 2028 in the comments below.